Welcome to VEDHA online classes. VEDHA online classes is providing the live online tuitions for intermediate CBSE, EAMCET, IIT-JEE, BITSAT. Here, matrices. In the matrices, we have few operations here, particularly addition and subtraction. Okay, if we take the addition and subtraction, how we add and subtract the matrices. Okay, so here addition or subtraction is nothing but what we do here. If we take the two matrices, two or more matrices of the same order, we add or subtract the corresponding elements. Okay, here we adding or corresponding elements, adding or subtracting, adding or subtracting the corresponding elements of the same order, is called addition or subtraction of matrices. If we take one example, okay, so we'll take one example here. I am taking the matrix A is equals to some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a matrix here. What is the order of this matrix? 2 rows and 1, 2, 3 columns. Okay, it is 2 by 3. We have to add the same order matrix. Okay, so some 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I took like. Okay, what is the order of the matrix? 1, 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so it is also 2 by 3. Here we can add or subtract the same order matrices only. Okay, so if you have two different order matrices, okay, so we can't add or subtract. Addition or subtraction not defined. If you want A plus B, I want A plus B. Okay, so A plus B is nothing but first write the A matrix 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Plus means plus, B means B matrix 6, 5, 1, 6, 5, 4 and 3, 2, 1. Okay, so add the corresponding elements. How do we add the corresponding elements? First left, top left with the top left like this. Okay, same position elements are okay, so we have to add the same position elements. Okay, so 4 I am adding with 3 and 5 adding with 2 and 6 adding with 1. Okay, so they are in the same position. We are adding the corresponding elements. Okay, so that means 1 plus 6, 2 plus 5, 3 plus 4, 4 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 6 plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 6 is 7, 2 plus 5 is 7, 2 plus 5 is also 7, 3 plus 4, 7, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 5 plus 2, 7, 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, so this is A plus B matrix and now A minus B. How to subtract A minus B? It may be A minus B or B minus A, whatever it is. Take the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A minus means write the minus in the middle and B. Okay, so 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so addition or subtraction, whatever it is, we add or subtract the corresponding elements. Here one corresponding element is 6. 2 corresponding element is 5 and 3 corresponding element is 4, like this. Like this, we add or subtract the corresponding element. We add or subtract the corresponding elements. Okay, so that is nothing but 1 minus 6, 2 minus 5, subtracting the corresponding elements. 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, 5 minus 2, 6 minus 1. 1 minus 6 is minus 5, 2 minus 5 is minus 3, 3 minus 4 minus 1. Okay, and 1 and 3 and 5. Okay, so this is addition or subtraction of the two matrices. And how do we multiply with the scalar? Multiplication by scalar. Multiplication of a matrix by scalar. Okay, so how do we multiply? So if you want to multiply by a scalar, we have to multiply by each and every element. Okay, so we multiply by scalar with each and every element of matrix. For example, okay, so here I am taking the matrix A is equals to some 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then find some k into A or 5 into A. How to find the value of these two? Okay, so k into A means k into A, so k into, write the A matrix, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, after that multiply by scalar. Okay, so 1 into k is k, so k into 2, 2k, k into 3, 3k, k into 4 is 4k, k into 4 is 4k. And if I want 5a, so 5 into A matrix, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 2, okay, so 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 5 into 4, 5 into 4. Okay, so 5 1 times is 5, 5 2 times 13, 5 3 times 15, 5 4 times is 12. Okay, so this is the multiplication by scalar concept. Okay, and when we are adding or subtracting, what is additive inverse? What is additive identity? Okay, so just now we discussed adding or subtraction of the two matrices. Okay, what is the additive inverse? What is the additive identity? Okay, so additive identity, or we can write it as null matrix. Null matrix, or we can write also as zero matrix. Zero matrix. Okay, so null or zero, in the name only we have. Okay, if each and every element is zero, okay, all the elements of a matrix is, all the elements of a matrix is zero, then the matrix is called null or zero matrix. Null or zero matrix. Okay, so here it may be any order. Okay, so example here I am taking the okay, so matrix here, null matrix here 0 0 0 0. It is a 2 by 2 null matrix. It is a 2 by 2 null matrix. If I take one more matrix here 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, so this is 2 by 3 null matrix. Okay, based on requirement we take the null matrix order. Okay, for example, all the matrices are order 2 by 2, then we take 2 by 2. Okay, so if the given matrices are 2 by 3, okay, 2 rows and 3 columns, based on requirement we will take the particular matrix order, particular ordered matrix we take. Okay, that is null matrix or 0, null or 0 matrix. Okay, next additive inverse, okay, or negative matrix. Negative matrix. Okay, so what is a negative matrix? By multiplying minus, okay, minus a, simply we can write it as, okay, so minus a is the negative matrix, negative matrix of a. Okay, means we have to multiply each and every element by a, by minus. For example, okay, so a is equals to 1, 2, minus 3 and 4. Like this we have some elements. Okay, then what is negative or additive inverse? Additive inverse. Okay, so then minus a is nothing but minus of the a matrix, that is 1, 2, minus 3, 4, multiply by minus. Okay, minus 1, minus 2, minus of minus 3, minus of minus 3 and minus 4. Okay, so here minus 1, minus 2 and minus into minus plus 3 and minus 4 and minus 4. Okay, so this is the required negative of the matrix, negative matrix. Okay, or we can also say this as additive inverse. Additive inverse. What is mean by additive inverse? What is mean by additive inverse? If a plus b is equals to 0, null matrix, then b is equal to minus a, or a is equal to minus b. One is additive inverse of each other. A is additive inverse of b, as well as b is additive inverse of a. Both are additive inverse to each other. Okay. Do you have a dream of scoring up to 75 by 75 in intermediate maths of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh? Do you want the pass guarantee intensive classes or videos? Do you want to learn the mathematics from zero to hero level? Then this is the right place for you. Please like, share, subscribe our VEDHA online classes.